Hello, my name is Matthew Palmer. Welcome to the studio. Now, this is something a bit special, something a bit different, something a bit exciting as well, because over the past 2 years I've been working on a new book with Search Press, Watercolour Animals for the Absolute Beginner. And I've just received what we call an advance copy that we get a couple of months before it actually goes out on general sale. This is being launched to the public sort of late May, early June 2024. It's currently March 2024. So I thought we'd unbox this together. We can see it here at the back on the website there. And it's going to be a wonderful one. Over 2 years worth of hard work has gone into putting this together. Here it is. Let's unbox it live together. See if we can get in this thing without causing too much chaos. So we'll unpack it here. Beautiful. And here it is. Little post-it note here from Search Press saying, congratulations on the new book, it looks wonderful and we really enjoyed editing and working on it in the coming months. We hope you are pleased with the finished result. Well done, best wishes. Here it is, look at it, there it is, the first copy of the book. Lovely presented in a gorgeous piece of tissue. So let's have a look at this now. If you'd like to pick up an advanced copy of this, or you'd like to pick up a limited edition signed copy of this, then we've got them on the website. The links are in the description below on Watercolour TV. So this is the first time that I've seen this, after nearly 2 years of working on it. Well, let's just get in there. Look at it. It is all shiny. Look at it. It's all there. Watercolour Animals for the Absolute Beginner. Matthew Palmer. Search Press, have been publishing books for over 50 years. The first flick through the book. Wow. So, pages, smells lovely. Pages, we've got 160 pages of a very thick book, this one. This book is dedicated to my nephews and nieces, Oliver, Georgina, Bradley and Violet. And look at the pictures that we're getting in this book. So it's going to be a belter. First published, this is a first edition. If you want to get hold of one of these first editions, then you can do. Just jump onto the website, allthews.watercolour.tv. Look at the polar bear. Have a quick flick through together, shall we? So the first half of the book is all the little essential things that you need for your watercolour painting. Look, how to sketch animals. Love the section on sketching animals in there. Breaking down into shapes. Colour mixing is in there as well. How to control the amount of water that you use in your paint as well. Working with primary colours. It's beautiful. Really, really pleased with this. The essential materials needed. Then as we move on in the book, it's got a step-by-step project on painting an elephant that goes through not only the sketch but takes you through all the essential techniques that you need for your painting to produce this wonderful painting of this elephant, from everything down to the highlights right the way through. That's the finished result there, so you can see what a nice job it is. Then it moves into the middle. Now these are the big parts. These are the projects. This is where it gets that little bit more exciting, you know, because what we've got here is fold out tracings of each project. For example, here is the panda. These fold out so you can actually trace them on a large sheet of watercolour paper. These are A3 in size. Sea turtle there. The snow leopard is in there. So there's actually 9, 10, 11 projects with tracings as well. Look at that beautiful cheetah there. Love it. It seems such a long time ago that I painted these down at the studios at Search Press. We've got penguins to enjoy. These are the mini projects. You've got the goldfinch to enjoy. You've got the leaping dolphins, beautiful leaping dolphins there. Look at that, love it. And then of course you've got the parrot. This is where you start to get into the more adventurous projects. I have to do all the feather detail. Look at that beautiful parrot there. This is the cheetah here. Probably my favourite one. I love painting the the cheetah portrait. Every step detailed in beautiful search press quality. The sea turtle here, always going to be a crowd favourite. Love the sea turtle there. And then towards the back of the book, we've got the panda eating the bamboo. Look at that. Beautiful, that. And then there's the polar bear. It's a very healthy book for $12.99. There's the polar bear walking in the snow. And then right at the back of the book, we have this, the mother and baby giraffe. So a very thick 160 page book, and I'd love you to pick up a copy. Please do jump on to the website where you can go on to alltheWswatercolour.tv, click on art shop, and then go on to the art book section, and you can pick up a pre-order of this with a first edition signed limited edition copy available on the website. That was enjoyable. That was good fun. So thanks for watching that, folks, and I look forward to your comments on this book when you receive your copy. See you in a bit.